Yes, one of the things I wanted to share with you today is this thing about Teched Barcelona. I'm heading there next week, and I'm really looking forward to it. So most of the times when I've gone there, I would normally just go through the session that relate to all the integration technology, add them to my agenda, and then figure out how that goes. And most of the time it goes pretty well. So let's see how it goes this time. So I've created my session in the agenda builder. So let's hope it works. So here you can see my agenda. So there's some keynotes I guess you have to attend. Then the first session is about roadmap for API management and the API Business Hub. And I think these two are quite critical component in what's going on in the SAP landscape. Because we need to interact with all the ERP systems with these things, and obviously that makes a lot of with APIs, and that's the way other systems will also integrate. So the more we know about these things, the more interesting it is. Then the next one is about this CIO guide, which is a guide that gives some explanation about what are the integration that's going on. If you have these two, if the business comes with a requirement, what is it that you need to get into your landscape? What's important in that perspective? So there's a presentation here you can get, and that's, I think, is pretty good. I've been reading the document, and it gives you some insight on SAP's thinkings of what's going on. Then you got integration architecture for a hybrid system, and this is about the ISA-M integration solution advisor methodology, which is SAP's process about mapping what's going on and how to use these things for businesses. So if kind of being on the forefront of if someone wants an integration, you can easily get it to work. Then I wanted to attend a session about how to create automated testing with SAP. This is a company that's creating some ABAP functionality to create testing thing, but I don't think I will be able to understand it because there's a mentor meeting on machine learning in SAP, what that is about. Then I will be at the show floor in the SAP mentor booth. So come by there and say hello if you're in Teched. Then there's a roadmap session for process orchestration, which is pretty interesting. I would imagine, at least see what's happening there with Alexandra and Christian. So normally they'll be presenting what has changed and then what are the new things that's going on, and that's a little challenging, I guess, because as I understand it, not much has been changed. So there's a few things, and let's see what the new architecture is saying. So something about machine learning on S4. Let's see if I can attend that. I guess it's overlapping. So most of the time when I'm going through this, I'll just add the things, and it's a lot easier to do if you're sitting in a session and it's borrowed to say, okay, I can do this and go and send it instead. And then something about predicting analytics, how that works out with a networking session. Then it's time to get drunk. And then on Wednesday, I guess there must be some keynote in the morning. Otherwise, I have a lot of time to spare. So there will be something about reuse cloud integration on premise. And I think this is pretty cool because if you can create cloud integration, so HCI, SAP Cloud Platform integration, is a lot more flexible So if you have any scenarios where you need to call multiple times to a cloud provider, it would be a lot easier to use this than do it in a PI where you needed to put everything into a BPM and running things that way. Then I will be at the show floor, so maybe I'll not attend this. And I got my own topic, so I hope you want to join this on integration trends, where I'll reveal something about what's happening in the survey and what I've seen people are doing. Then API management, best practices, try to do some work there maybe. And then I'll hear about BHC, what they have done with cloud integration. So the guy I've been talking, Rick Smith, a long time ago, and it seemed like they were quite progressive about all of this cloud moving and figuring out how to do it. So that would be interesting to hear a customer perspective about this journey. And then there's the roadmap session again. Let's see which one of them I'll be able to attend. I will not be able to attend this one, I guess, so I'll have to find the other one. So yeah, that was my sessions for Teched. So if you're going, please do let me know. I will try to share as much as possible from the event. Join me at any of the sessions, or if you have any questions, pop by me. I'm easy recognizable. I got the mentor shirt on, and if you look at the back, there's also the big number. So 79 is the number you wanna catch, and I'm quite approachable. So let me know if you have any questions on that. So if there's any sessions on integration or integration related technologies that I missed, please post them in the chat. I would like to hear that. Thanks for watching.